The way we're able to monetize this service effectively and efficiently in our studio is by offering it in combination with the kit. So the kits are in our retail area, which helps open the exposure to all of our clients coming in that we have something else to offer. If somebody does not have time to have a session in studio, they can just take the kit home. Also, our artist, our mobile artist, as well as any of our staff can promote these kits on Instagram, Facebook, and we can sell it that way as well, virtually, and then just have it delivered to their house. So you can sell it as a retail product as well as a service. Somebody can purchase the kit, take it home, and do it themselves. Or they can schedule to have the service done in studio with us. That service, we would do 2 20-minute treatments with them, and then the kit goes home with them. The gel goes right back in the box, the light goes in the box, it has all the instructions so that you're not gonna get a ton of texts and emails and calls. So it's a great thing for them to take home with them and even talk to their friends about. It looks really professional, it's easy for you to stock and easy for you to sell. The other advantage to using the kits is that you could do multiple treatments at a time. If you are thinking about doing a teeth whitening party, or you have an area where you could have multiple people set up, like a small conference room, you could essentially be doing 6 to 8 teeth whitening treatments at a time because the kit comes with their own light. So you're not having to worry about the fact that you have one light that's going to take an hour or so for a client. You now can see more clients in a shorter period of time.